Now new at 6, a focus on cleaning crews. They're performing a vital service right now. They've been working overtime sanitizing businesses, hospitals, and other places. Regina Waldroup has a story of one cleaning team in action.
Get your Tyvek suits on, respirators, rubber gloves.
They suit up, grab their gear, everything they need for another day of disinfecting. The company is ServiceMaster Restoration By Simons, and their business has doubled during this pandemic.
We've been doing these cleanings for at least a month now.
They give businesses preparing to reopen a thorough deep cleaning. Sam Simon and Nasutsa Mabwa are the owners.
What we use are EPA and CDC approved cleaning disinfectant solutions. We have to first make sure the area is clean and sanitized, and then we use a fogging spraying application for the disinfectant.
The work can be intense.
In some cases, you're looking at top to bottom when the companies request them, and some companies require just that we fog the general area and then hand wipe high-touch surfaces.
The work can also be stressful for crews, especially when they're cleaning a business where someone's died from the virus.
We're having to deal with the emotions of the family members, of the company colleagues.
It's tough for our team. We do have daily meetings. We try to support each other. We talk it through.
And when it comes to cleaning a home where there's been a case of someone who's tested positive for the virus, well, they say that's best to leave that work up to the experts.
Cleaning homes is a little different than businesses because of the amount of clothing and bedding, soft goods.
And after their job's done, they remind customers that the daily disinfecting, especially in common areas, should continue.
This is not going to go away very soon, and cleanliness and regular cleaning is essential.
On the Southwest side, I'm Regina Waldroup, NBC5 News.